So GTC, and for Construction Company of the Year, Bog'Art.
Bravo!
You hand it to him. I think he'd rather have you hand it to him. But which one do you want us to have you hand it to you? Yeah? Oh, okay, well, you know. So congratulations. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you very much to everybody on behalf of Bog'Art. We're very proud to be again Construction Firm of the Year. I think you're all used to us winning and being the respectable partner that we love to work with. We've successfully delivered most of the office buildings and not only retail, residential for probably all the reputable developers in this room. Too many to thank individually. I want to thank the team at Bog'Art, who is very hard at work, putting their hard hats on and their boots on the ground. And that's why we get the projects done. We forget in real estate that it's actually the work that is the most hectic part, and we hope to actually, alleviate that stress from you and work continuously to improve our solutions. So for anybody that is intending on building this year, the coming year, times may be tough, but we're here for building, and we hope that you're building with us. Thank you for Bog'Art. Thank you to Europa Property.
Congratulations, and come join us over here for a photo. Yeah.